Alright mate, so welcome to the group first off. Now TOMO, CHZ and CHR. TOMO, I do like it here. I think it's building, you know, a kind of a base like this, and then it wants to try and break higher. So I do think there's more upside. It is a little bit tricky, you know, because these bases can break either way. So you need to be prepared that if this recent low gets taken out, then you don't want to be in this. You don't want to be trading this. On a weekly basis, that was a 10-minute chart. On a weekly basis, it's kind of doing something similar. You know, it's basing here, and you can see the base. You want this to be a continuation to the upside. You want this to be a continuation like last time. So it'll be important to trade the new week. You know, if we flip up and start seeing some strength, you definitely could long this to see if price is going to continue higher. At this point, I would not be trading it today. I don't think. I just don't think there's going to be too much movement today. I do think price will move up at least into this sort of area and probably higher. Well, this was already on my chart, so I might as well let you see it. So must have drew this a few days ago, looking for this to try and break up. At this point, you know, it's touch and go, and it can go either way. You know, in these consolidation bases, eventually it should break up. When is the question? I mean, this is a 3-day chart and it's just been chopping about here. So again, there's no need to trade this until a new week. But overall, I think it is bullish to me. It looks like it's going higher. I would trade a new week, and I would look to see if this can actually get a break up. If this barks back up like this, well, then it's likely to go a lot higher, because this bark back up will be proof to the bulls that the bulls are strong. This is CHR here is pretty much identical in a way. No need to trade this today. It's down 1.3% Sunday evening. You know, you're best again to wait on a new week as well and trade this and see if we can get that continuation to the upside. And it's a very similar situation where price is going to look to come back into the trend line, and if we do come back up here, it's likely going to break that trend line. So these are trades for maybe Monday or Tuesday. No need to trade them today.